channel. So today is all about the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. So everyone has been raving on about this, and there's been loads of videos on YouTube. I'm a little bit late to the party, but I went to a event with Fenty Beauty the other day, and honestly guys, your girl was getting snatched by this concealer. Literally, this is the cure. This is what Fenty Beauty said. It's not what I said, but it is the cure, and it does really help to conceal your face. But it was a lovely event, and I got to meet her global makeup artist, Art by Hector. And I got to meet some of the people from the PR team, so thank you for having me. But before we get into that video and I recreate my look and show you how I got this look using the new concealer, I'm gonna need you to subscribe to my channel. So if you're brand new, why not hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. But I've been rambling on, and have you actually hit that notification bell? Have you subscribed to my channel? Oh, you have? Okay, let's get into the video. So I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I'm just going to take 2 pumps of that, and I'm just going to work that into my skin. Before I do any makeup, I like to do my eyebrows, so I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up. At the moment, Fenty Beauty doesn't really have anything for eyebrows, so I'm just using my Glossier Boy Brow. I love this. It just makes my eyebrows like really fluffy and thick. And did everyone do the 10-year challenge? Yeah, like that was just a mess. My eyebrows were so thin, and I feel like that was a common theme between people, that the eyebrows were just like lacking in thickness. So when I do my eyebrows, I love them to be really thick and bushy. They do need to be waxed at the moment because they're a little bit bushy, so let's conceal the hell out of them. I'm taking the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and my shade is 385. I'll just swatch it for you, although I don't really want to swatch it because I don't want to lose any of that concealer. And that is the color, and Rihanna says that this is the cure. It is an instant soft coverage for all, Longwear, light, has air and crease proof. I was wearing it the other day when I was invited to the event, and it was a lovely event. I met Art by Hector, which is her global makeup artist, and I was wearing it, you know, for the duration of the night, and I would say it's pretty crease proof, to be honest. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and just highlight my eyebrows with this concealer. I mean, I would say that this shade is probably a bit too dark for my eyebrows, but we gonna use it anyway. And I really love the application. Like, the application is very sturdy and it's very easy to apply. So just gonna blend that all out with a beauty blender. Okay, so then I've just done my foundation. It wasn't Fenty Beauty, so I thought, what's the point of showing it? So I'm just gonna set my face with honey. So this is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and I've chosen the shade Honey. This is a light, has air setting photo soft finish for all. So I know some people have been using this for their under eye, but I use this for the whole of my face. And when I got tested, the guy did say that I would probably use cashew for my under eye, but today we don't have cashew, so I'm just going to use this honey. And my makeup artist that matched me, he was like, don't do the most, you just literally just need to just spread it just softly all over the face. Okay, so I'm gonna go in because I normally do my concealer on top of my foundation, and I like it like a little natural look. Just going in underneath the eye and on the bridge of my nose, and again we can't blend that all out. And already guys, you can see, look how natural that looks. Look how that's just blended in with my skin. I probably do think I need a lighter concealer for my eyebrows just to highlight them a little bit more. Yeah, so I think like I should request a lighter concealer for my eyebrows, but I can always do that later. I'm just going to set that again with that honey powder. So to finish off this look, I'm just taking the Flyliner, and I just want to do like a basic simple look, as Fenty Beauty is all about like natural and simple. So yeah, I'm not going to go over the board with my makeup look for you guys. Okay, eyeliner done, and then I just want to add a little bit of Sunburst to my lash line. This is from the Galaxy Eyeshadow Palette Collection. My trophy wife is smashed to smithereens, so I'm just taking Moscow Mule and just putting that on my cheekbones for highlight. Okay, just done my mascara, and to finish off the look I'm taking the Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. And that, guys, is the final look. What do you guys think? I mean, I'm totally in love with this product. I was in love with it when I went to the event. I really enjoyed it. I do think it's revolutionary, and I do think it is crease proof because I did test it out at the event and it is long wearing. However, got a hair on my lip. However, I do feel like I do need a lighter concealer for my eyebrows just to make them pop a little bit. What do you think? Do you think it's good to stay natural, or do you think it's good to get like a little bit more glowing? But anyway, guys, if you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy if you share this video. Why not share it? As always, I'll leave the links of my social media platforms so you can follow me down below. I'll also leave the links of where you can buy this product. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay what? Bougie.